This movie can be interesting for programmers and machine operators who knows what happened on the machine control when the machine should read in programs from a folder where thousands of stored program files. In most cases, especially on machines with older control systems, it can be very tricky to get the program loaded on machine control because the period needed for the refresh of the contents of the transfer folder and then select the right file can take a long time. In TruTops Boost, when the programmer prepares programs and releases them to the machine control, it means to the transfer folder, the programs are stored in the transfer folders, and day after day the programs get be more and more and more. And someday the operator will come to you and say, no, it's impossible to read the programs. Then I think in most cases you will find out that you can prepare subfolders and move the programs manually to the subfolders. We have now a little different idea, and I prepared a structure as an example of transfer folders, subfolders, and I copy this structure to each of our subfolders for the transfer. But it's important to note that the names or the structure of the names of the subfolders can be prepared on your own in very close connection to your needs. It means the names of the subfolders can be, for example, your projects, your assemblies. For the assemblies you would like to collect all bending programs in one structure, and a small application which I show you here. This application, what happened in these transfer folders, and depending of the found program names, the program names will be moved to a subfolder. And now I switch on in this application the work of particular transfer folders, and what you can see, the application has done his work. It means the already transferred programs are moved to subfolders, and now when we go to the TruTops Boost, and now I show maybe detailed only the subfolder of the first bending machine, and to this machine and to others I will transfer the programs, and we can see in the preview of the view of our folders for a while the program is stored, and then the application moves the program to the appropriate subfolder. It makes the life more easier, and with such application you don't have to take care manually to shift the programs. The programs are shifted and moved to the subfolders automatically. Okay, if the system will find a program which is not corresponding to the subfolder, he will move the program to the others. It means here will come to this folder every program which is not able to pair with the subfolder structure. If you have any questions how it works, please contact tops@pl.trumpf.com. Thank you for your attention.